Good morning all. In last days we have learned about some special types of rings, characteristics of ring and the concept of fields. A field is a ring with at least two elements and it forms an abelian group with respect to multiplication for every non-zero elements of R. Already a ring is an abelian group with respect to addition and there exists associative property. Now we have to show that it satisfies there exists an identity with respect to multiplication and there exists inverse for that for non-zero elements of R and the commutative property should be satisfied. Today we have two problems of fields to check whether it is a field or not. Now we can move to the portions. So we have field problems today. So first problem is prove that the set R of all ordered pairs AB of real numbers is a commutative ring with unity under the compositions addition and multiplication of ordered pairs defined as AB plus CD is equal to A plus C, first terms A plus C, B plus D and ABCD equal to ACBD for all ABCD element of R. Is this a field? To do these problems, we have the procedure is first we have to show that the two operations defined on R, the addition and multiplication, are binary operations. Next, we have to show that it's a ring. For that, we have to satisfy the ring axioms R1, R2, R3. First, show that R plus is an abelian group. For that, we have to check the associativity with respect to addition, existence of identity and existence of inverse. Now, we have to show that with respect to multiplication, R is associative. Next, show that the distributive laws holds in R. After that, we have to show that it is commutative with respect to multiplication and the unity element, the identity element exists with respect to multiplication. Now, to check whether it is a field, check the inverse for non-zero elements of R. Now, we can move to the solution. First, we have to show that the two operations are binary. For that, let two elements A, B and C, D elements of R where A, B, C and D are real numbers. That's the definition of R, our given set. Then A plus C, B plus D and AC, BD are real numbers. That is, the operations addition and multiplication are binary. Multiplication are binary. Now we have to show the property of R1, the ring axiom R1. Let AB, CD and EF element of R, and we know that associativity holds in real numbers. It holds in real numbers. Now we can take AB plus CD, which we can take in closed bracket, which is equal to plus EF, which is equal to this closed bracket A plus C, B plus D plus EF, which is equal to A plus C plus E, B plus D plus F. So this A plus C plus E is, we could write A plus C plus E, comma B plus D plus F, which is equal to A plus C plus, which we could write AB plus C plus E, D plus F, which is equal to AB plus CD plus DE plus EF, that is associativity holds in R. Associativity holds. Now we have to show the existence of identity with respect to addition. For all AB element of R, we have 0, 0 element of R, such that AB plus 0, 0 is equal to AB, which is equal to 0, 0 plus AB. Therefore 0, 0 is the identity of R with respect to addition. Now we have to show the existence of additive inverse. Existence of additive inverse. For any AB element of R, there exists minus A minus B element of R, such that AB plus minus AB is equal to, by definition we have A plus minus A minus B. So B plus minus B, which is equal to 0, 0, which is equal to minus AB plus AB. Therefore minus A minus B is the additive inverse of AB. That is, there exists inverse for all A comma B element of R. Now we have to show that R is commutative with respect to addition. Let A, B, C, D element of R, and we know that addition of real numbers is commutative. Now AB plus CD is equal to A plus C P plus D. Since it is A plus C is a real number, we can write C plus A. The addition is D plus B, which is equal to CD plus AB. That is, for ordered pairs, for ordered pair of numbers, addition is commutative. So we have show the four properties of abelian group. Therefore, R plus is an abelian group. So we have proved R1. Now we have to prove R2, that is the multiplication is associative. For that, take 3 elements associative. Let 3 elements A, B, C, D and EF element of R. And we know that multiplication of real numbers is associative. Real numbers is associative. Now consider AB, CD, EF. First we can pair these two, which is equal to ACBD EF, which is equal to ACE BDF, which we could write this is ACE BDF, which we could write ACE BDF, which is equal to AB CE DF, which is equal to AB into CD EF. That is, for ordered pair of numbers, multiplication is associative. Now we have to prove R3, that is the distributive laws. Take 3 numbers, let AB, CD and EF element of R. Then consider AB into CD plus EF, which is equal to AB into C plus E D plus F, which is equal to A into C plus E B into D plus F, which is equal to AC plus AE, BD plus BF. Which is equal to, this we could write, this is equal to ACBD plus AEBF, which is equal to ABCD plus ABEF. That is, this is left distributive law. Holds in R. Similarly, we can show the right distribution. We can show the right distribution law. Right distributive law. Hence, R is a ring. Now we have to prove it's a commutative ring. Now we have to prove commutativity in multiplication, with respect to multiplication. Take two elements, let A, B and C, D element of R. And we know that multiplication of real numbers is commutative. Multiplication of real numbers is commutative. Consider AB into CD, which is equal to ACBD, which is equal to, since this is commutative, we can write CADB, which is equal to CD into AB. It implies multiplication is commutative in R. Now we have to prove that there exists in identity with respect to multiplication. We know that one is the identity in with respect to consider in real numbers, one is the identity. Consider 1 element of R and AB into 1 is equal to AB by rule, which is equal to 1 into AB. We have, that is 1 is the identity in R. Now we have to show this is not this is a, we have to check whether this is a field, checking for field. For that we have to show that for every non-zero number the inverse should exist. So if it is a field, now we can check any element with 0 as one element. Consider, let 5 0 element of R. Then 5 0 into xy is equal to 5 into x is 5x 0. if xy is the inverse of inverse of 5 0, then 5x 0 should be is equal to 1 1, which implies 5x equal to 1 and 0 equal to 1, which is not possible. Therefore, inverse does not exist for five zero, implies R is not a field, but R is a commutative ring with unity. We have proved that R is a commutative ring with unity and which is not a field. Next problem is prove that the set of numbers a plus b root 2 where a and b are rational numbers is a field with respect to ordinary addition and multiplication as two compositions. The procedure is same. You have already done with in groups, rings, and this procedure is first we have to name the set. Let a b, or in the form capital A plus small a plus b root 2. Let we can give the name as some f, or where f is equal to a plus b root 2 where a b element of R, something like that, and show that the two operations addition and multiplication are binary operations in this given set. Now after that you have to show that the set is an abelian group with respect to addition. After that you have to show that with respect to multiplication the set is associative, the ring axiom, second axiom, and next you show that the distributive laws hold in the set for R3. Now you have to show that the set is commutative with respect to multiplication. Now you have to show that after that you have to show that there exists identity element with respect to multiplication. Show that, and show that there exists inverse with respect to multiplication for non-zero elements of the set. So this you can do as an exercise. This I am not doing. This is in the same procedure. You have already done the same problem for rings, and you have only 3 steps to be done more, and it's all are familiar to you. So I am giving this as an exercise to you.